Hello, Mami Jo. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, Mami Jo. Mahirap po makahuli ngayon dito, Mami Jo. Hirap. Kailangan sundan yung isda. Salamat po, Mami Jo, sa pag-share ng ating live. Maraming salamat for always supporting Harvest Team. And ingat kayo dyan. Salamat po, Mami Jo. Kayo din po. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan, Mami Jo. Kung nasa aman po kayo. No fishing without mask, lol. Sky Welder. Why, sir? What's the problem in face mask? Shout out to you, Sky Welder. Always keep safe, sir. No, sir, because right now we come from work. We came from work, sir. After duty, we go fishing. In our company, need wear mask. So just forget to remove. Push him in. No, my friend. We hunting for fish using slingshot method. Did you know slingshot method, my friends? Did you try it for fishing? Slingshot method, guys? No, really, do it. Yes. Just wait. Just wait and watch. We will try catch fish using this method. Okay? Just watch. Oh, I'm an expert angler. I would use this shitty slingshot method. Oh, that's a really nice, sir. That's a really nice skill using fishing rod and reel. Reel. Ano yung pre? Pole? Oh, we got one, sir. We got one. Wait. Wow, that's a nice catch, my friend. Oh, we got one. We got lucky one. Woo! That's a nice one, sir. Good size. Sabi niya dito, do you get snag reel easy without pole? Anong pole? Yeah, we just use slingshot, sir. Just use slingshot. We don't use anything right now. Even bait, we don't have any bait. Just use pure skill, sir. And ice also. Oh, we got one, sir. Another one.